add even more storage to your Cat UTV, we can install this under-seat storage compartment. For this, we will only need 2 J-hooks with washers. Our first step would be to remove the seats. Just pull up on the seat, take it out, store it somewhere easily accessible. Our next step will be to slide in the under-seat storage compartment. And push it against the back of the machine. Now we need to install the J-hooks. So we open up the compartment by lifting up this tab, pick up the hooks, and go in through the hole under the drainage hole underneath the machine. And we tighten the J-hooks lightly. The same has to be done on the other side. The last step would be to reinstall the seats. To learn more about the Cat UTV and its accessories, please visit us at cat.com.